Wouldn't it be nice to earn money from Google? Simple Google. I mean, what if you could earn $1,000 per day from Google News? What if there was no experience required and you were shown everything step by step? That way you wouldn't have a problem following along. So even if you're a beginner, you could do it. If you stay to the end of this video, I am going to show you a way to make extraordinary money. Just hang tight with me. Hey guys, Shelly here. Oh, and my chihuahua. And there's a big, huge fat cat in the background. All right, I'm here to let you know a way to make some serious cash. But first, do me a favor. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you can find out legit ways to seriously make money online. Okay, the reason for this video actually started with this article right here. How to earn $1,000 or $1,000 easily using Google News. Copy and paste method. Why do I think it doesn't work? And then it was actually, you know how you're researching on something and then you click on something that leads to something and then it actually led to this. Do me a favor and put in the comments if you think that this method is actually legit. Okay, now that you've done that, we're going to find out. Now, I usually do is I always find something to teach you how to make money online. Usually it's a side hustle or it's affiliate marketing. And I usually do that so you can have money to put towards something else, towards a course, something that's going to help you change your life. When I show you the side hustles, it's not something that you could, it's not going to help you quit your 9-to-5. So it's a way to get you started so you can get the money to invest in yourself so you can get and learn the knowledge to be able to then quit your 9-to-5. So I research this kind of stuff all the time for that reason. And so I was like, okay, this could be kind of cool. Copy and paste method. Hey, this can get some money in some pocket. So then I read this article and everything. And then I got onto YouTube. I didn't know there's any videos. There's several videos and they're all basically saying the same thing. And what they're talking about is a way to use Google. So you're going to take Google and then you search for Google News. So there's Google News. And, you have US, world, local news, all kinds of stuff. And it does have technology, sports, science, health, entertainment. Okay. They're saying, for example, we should use health. Okay. I use health as a good example on stuff sometimes. Let's find something. Why I find something that might make a little sense to me. Student dies from COVID. That's not cool. Everything's COVID. Okay, you're supposed to find an article and then we're going to copy it. Okay, let's just copy this part. Copy. And then, which this site you found with Google News. So then we're going to go to a site called spinbot.com. And you're supposed to paste. I just right click copied and then right click paste. And here's your text for an article. And then it's going to rewrite it for you. Okay, let's do this real quick. Bicycle, 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 verify. Go. Then if you scroll down, okay, then it has the rewritten, which this is just a couple of paragraphs, but the whole rewritten article, you could go in and copy and paste all of it. Because basically it's just kind of rewriting it a little bit. So, since all languages, okay. Let's look at it. Chuckling rises above all dialects. And presently researchers realize this unconstrained reaction is widespread across some primate species as well. See that sentence? That makes no sense. Okay. The giggling examples of human newborn children. The giggling examples. Okay, laughter patterns. Giggling examples. Does that just mean that's stupid? So they're basically just taking specific words and they're switching it out for stuff that even doesn't make sense. Human grown-ups, human grown-ups? I want to say grown-ups. We're human. Yeah, we're human. Okay. Chuckle while breathing out. Okay. So babies and extraordinary primates giggle during both in-word breath. Are you reading this? First grown-ups breathe in, then at that point produce ha 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 sounds. Ha 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 sounds. Inhale. So that was just an example. We could even do more if we wanted. It just, and then you would take this and copy it. But I think you're kind of getting the point, because then after you go to spinbot.com, and it's supposed to rewrite everything, then a lot of these sites and videos are going to Eating Well. Okay, eatingwell.com is a very known site. It pays $1 a word. So yeah, if you had 1,000 article, that's $1,000. And then they tell you to, find the email, on here and email the person, or the person who has this over, and tell them and send it. This is my article. And all you have to do is copy what you have on spinbot.com and then go over here and paste it and send that article to them and expect that they're going to pay you. Okay, I like the sound of that, and that sounds great. It sounds a little too good to be true, probably because it is. So there's another site, sierraclub.org, and there was a couple more, but I just picked 2 so you can kind of get the drift. And this site is a known environmental site. They're not going to deal with some crap that's sent to them. Okay, it's actually going to probably make them mad. And for something like this, I've been a volunteer for years. That would make me mad. And then they say, like when you're on Google News, then you can just go to like technology or science and do the same thing. And then, copy and pull up an article and copy it and then bring it in to spinbot.com and redo it. But it doesn't, this spinbot doesn't work. It makes it, and I just did this on the fly so you could see it, but I was playing with it earlier and it was even way worse than this. And so I wouldn't want to teach you something that was wrong. So that's when I read across that article, because usually I don't do videos like this. I was like, I have to tell everybody, because it would be wasting your time. Now, it would make more sense if you don't like writing, because I'm not the best at writing either, but pay somebody. It would make more sense to seriously, like, just to pay someone to write it, and then pay someone that's cheaper than $1,000 and then send it in, to Eating Well. This is a huge site. And then send that article into Eating Well. Then that actually makes sense, and it's really, really good. And there's other software out there too called Jarvis, but it's a little pricey as well, because I think it's like $100 or so. But you could use it because I think that's unlimited, and you can use it, and it does the same thing. But it's like when you start to talk about something, like say the other one was like something infant laugh. Start talking about infant laughs and it can continue writing for you. But even when you have that kind of software, it's still not going to be perfect. You're still going to have to work, guys. You're still going to have to go through and read it and change it and redo it. You can't just simply put something in a rewrite site and expect it to be great, and then get paid $1,000 to go to one of these sites and send it when it's crap. So, but hey, at least you do know this is the way to do it if you want to really write a really good article or have it done, or try some AI software. Like the one I would try if you wanted to try that would be Jarvis, or just write it yourself. All right, guys, now this method may not have worked out for you the way you thought, but hey, at least I'm being honest and I'm letting you know. At least I found this, hopefully before you did, to let you know all about what it is and what isn't, and if it's right and it's wrong, and how to correct it if you still wanted to do it. But listen to me. If you want to quit your 9-to-5 and you want to make serious money, passive income, then you're going to want to do the first link in my bio, because it's the way to go. It's what I do. It's what helped me. And I now work from home. I don't have to worry about the whole 9-to-5. And I'm a single mom, so I can do this anytime I want. So do me a favor. Check it out, guys, just because I know it's going to help you so much. And I'm here to help you too. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. And you're going to want to check out the next video that's going to be up on the screen. Check it out, and I will see you on the next one.